You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to another episode. Today we're exploring one of the most exciting aspects of relocating to France, finding the perfect home. Whether you're dreaming of a charming countryside cottage, or a chic apartment, or a luxurious villa on the French Riviera, France offers so many housing options to suit every taste and lifestyle. So let's dive in and see how you can find your perfect sanctuary in this beautiful country. First, let's explore some popular destinations. France is renowned for its diverse landscapes and regions, each brimming with its own unique charm. Before you start your home search, take some time to explore areas like Paris, the French Riviera, or the French Alps. Paris offers cosmopolitan energy and historical grandeur. The French Riviera boasts stunning coastal views and a glamorous lifestyle, and the French Alps are perfect for those who love mountain scenery and outdoor activities. Consider factors such as climate, amenities, proximity to major cities, and the local culture to determine which region aligns best with your preferences and priorities. Next, you'll need to consider renting versus buying. Each option has its own set of advantages. Renting offers flexibility and an easy transition, allowing you to test different neighborhoods and lifestyles without making a long-term commitment. It's an excellent way to get a feel for your new environment without the pressure of a permanent decision. On the other hand, buying a property can provide stability and sense of permanence. It also offers the opportunity to build equity and customize your living space to your liking. Weighing the pros and cons of each option in the context of your personal circumstances can help you make an informed decision. SDC International Shipping can make your move to France seamless and stress-free. Relocating internationally is thrilling, but it comes with challenges. Our comprehensive relocation services ensures that every aspect of your move is handled with professionalism and care. Our packing and shipping services are designed to take the stress out of moving. Our experienced team will carefully pack and ship your belongings, from household goods to furniture and even vehicles, ensuring everything arrives safely at your new home in France. Navigating the custom clearance process can be very complicated, but with SDC International Shipping, it's a breeze. We manage all the necessary documentation, and we'll even communicate with custom officials to ensure full compliance with French import regulations. That way you can focus on settling into your new home. If you need temporary storage for your belongings before they're delivered to your new home, we even offer secure storage solutions. Our facilities are designed to keep your items safe until you're ready for delivery. Throughout the entire relocation process, our dedicated customer support team is here to assist you. Whether you have questions, concerns, or need guidance, we're committed to ensuring your move to France is smooth and hassle-free. In conclusion, moving to France is an exciting new chapter in your life. And at SDC International Shipping, we're here to make the transition as smooth as possible. With our comprehensive relocation service and expert guidance, you can trust us to handle every aspect of your move with care and professionalism. Visit our website to learn more about how we can make your move to France a success. Until next time, happy travels.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.